Hello everyone, myself Vishal and today's video topic is arrays in Java. Normally an array is a collection of a similar type of elements which has a contiguous memory location. Java array is an object which contains element of an similar data type. Additionally, the element of an array are stored in a contiguous memory. It is a data structure where we store similar elements. We can store only a fixed set of element in a Java array. Array is a Array in Java is index based. The first element of the array is stored at the zeroth index. Second element is stored on first index, and so on. Unlike C++, we can get the length of the array using the length member in C and C++. We need to use the size of operator in Java. Array is an object of a dynamically generated class. Java array inherits the object class and elements. The serialized as well as colonable interface. We can store primitive value of object is in an array in Java like C++. We can also create single dimensional or multidimensional array in Java. Moreover, Java provides the feature of anonymous arrays which is not available in C or C++. Advantages: code optimization. It makes the code optimized. We can retrieve or store the data efficiently. Position. Disadvantages: size limit. We can store only the fixed size of element in the array. It doesn't grow its size. And runtime. Type of array: there are two type of arrays: single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. For Java array, we can also print the Java array using for each loop. The Java for each loop print the array element one by one. It holds an array element in a variable, then execute the body of the loop, passing array to a method in Java. We can pass the Java array to method so that we can reuse the same logic on any array. Array using method. Anonymous array in Java supports the feature of an anonymous array, so you don't need to declare the array while passing an array to the method. Array index out of bound expectation. The Java virtual machine throws an array index out of bound expectation. If length of the array in negative equal to array size or greater, then the array size while transferring the array. Thank you so much.